I had to put her down last week because her performance was very bad. And she had a lot of flats and sharps last week, you know. I don't know what happened to her. Maybe she was broken-hearted or she was sad or something. It looks like hindi ka na broken-hearted ngayon. Ganun ba yun? Pero gusto ko pa rin kita makita in something glamorous.
Yeah.
In a beautiful gown. With mga bling-bling everywhere. I hope I can see you one of these days in one of your performances like that. Because you look very good like that. Pero, ha? Congratulations.
Sa akin, gusto ko yung belt niya eh, ano?
Yung belt na lang.
Gusto ko yung belt, sobra. I enjoyed her performance. Though may konting mga flat ng konti and kinakapos ng konti along the way. And yung sa ending, din medyo hirap ng konti. But naano pa rin eh, natumbok pa rin kahit paano eh. So I enjoyed the performance. It's funky. You're the man.
I like it. I like you.
Pao. Ako hindi ko gusto yung performance tonight. I wanted, you know, it's the song choice. Medyo blah yung performance. Hindi siya, you know, parang ako nanonood ng noontime show noong 1960, 1970. Of course, marami dito wala pa noon. But the song choice has a lot to do with it, Pao. I think you can do better, and I hope you're still there next week. It's not a winning performance, not a very bad performance either, but something I didn't like, actually, tonight. That's
Okay
it.
lang po.
Thank you very much, Mr. C. Judges, thank you very much. Pao, okay. Alam kong hindi mo gagawin ang pagsusuot ng gown. Pero mukhang pati yung fans mo eh. Gusto niyo ba makita si Pao na naka-gown? Yeah! Aren't you ever going to do it?
Tulog na lang tayo.
So talagang hindi. Kung mas glamorous, iba ang formang gagawin mo, hindi lang gown. Ano sa tingin mo?
Wala akong masabi.
Wala akong masabi. So, ito lang talaga. Ganitong
Ganito
forma.
na.
Okay naman eh, di ba?
Masaya naman po ako sa buhay ko, di ba?
Yun
Sana
ang
po
maganda,
maging
Pao.
masaya kayo para sa akin.
Yan ang maganda, Pao. Okay,
Thank you.
eto na. Yung sinabi ni Mr. C, song choice ang medyo naging problema.
Yeah.
Okay, we know that song that song is very significant to you.
Yes.
And we've always spoken about your mom. This time around, let's talk about your dad.
Yeah.
Hindi kaya siya yung talagang naka-impluensya sa iyo sa music?
Kasi it's really my mom na mahilig kumanta. Meron siyang collection ng -1 multiplex, may karaoke, may microphone. So, siya talaga yung nagsimula. Pero yung daddy ko kasi kumakanta niya sa kotse eh.
Okay.
Sa kotse eh, tapos kakanta ka niya.
Alright.
Pero pagdating sa daddy ko, mas magkalaro kami
Okay.
kesa sa mom ko.
Baka doon ako yung attitude, di ba?
Maybe.
Okay, thank you very much, Pao. If you like Pao's performance, ito po ang inyong gagawin. All you have to do is text Pao, that's P-O-W, send it to 2339 using Smart and any of the other networks. At ang gagawin nyo po, kung landline ang inyong gagamitin, i-dial nyo lang 1908-5-IDOL-04. That's 1908-5-IDOL-04 for Pao. And you have to wait for us to give you the go signal at the end of the show para po maging opisyal ang inyong mga boto. And also, meron po tayong announcement mamaya tungkol sa bagong voting procedures. So please stand by for that. Pao, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Our next finalist, medyo parang minamalas daw siya sa pag-ibig. Dahil yan ang nangyari sa kanya nung nagkaroon siya ng long-distance love affair. Makipagkwentuhan tayo kay John Nieto.
Kakantayin ko ngayong linggong to is Kailangan Kita by Ogie Alcacid. Memorable sa akin tong kantan to because this was the song that I used to sing to a person that I used to love. Kasi nung time na yon, we had to maintain a long-distance relationship. This was the song na kinakanta ko sa kanya kahit over the phone lang, to make her feel kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman ko and kung ano talaga yung laman ng puso ko. Pero ngayon, looking at my present situation, yun nga, wala pa rin akong special someone up until now. Pero optimistic pa rin ako na very soon makakakita pa ulit ako ng isang babaeng mamahalin at isang babae kung kung may dedicate ulit tong song na to para ito na hopefully maging theme song naming dalawa.
Sa piling mo lang nadarama ang tunay na pagsinta. Pag-iyakap kita ng mahigpit, parang ako'y nasa langit. Minsan lang ako nagkadama ng ganito, pag-ibig na wagas at sadyang totoo. Nananabik itong aking puso. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal at lagi ko makapiling ka muli. Kailangan kita.
Ano siya naging?
Mamits.
Kailangan daw niya ako, Mr. C. Kasi wala daw siyang girlfriend. Ako daw ang kailangan. John, it's so wonderful to see all of you like this, you know. So nicely dressed, so wonderfully. But from the beginning naman, John, you know, I realized you have lost weight, di ba? You
Yes,
have been,
Juanita.
from the beginning that you joined, talagang nagpapayat ka.
Yes, Juanita.
So he's really getting ready to be the first Philippine idol. Parang ganun eh. Parang
Thank
ganun
you.
ang ginagawa niya eh. Now, John, it's so wonderful to see you improve every week. And I hope to see you again next week.
Thank you, Juanita.
Really, I do.
Thank you.
Look, sa akin, iba yung dating eh. Kumbaga, mismo talaga eh. I'm sure maraming babae na magkakagusto nito talaga eh. Kasi, gwapo eh.
Ganun ba?
Oo, gwapo eh. But, I think he has to work on konti sa tono, konti. Mga konting flats din along the way. Sa simula, and then sa ending, meron din konti. And breathing, konti din. Konti lang. But I know mag-improve ka talaga. And good song choice. I love it.
Thank you.
I didn't like it, John. It was so, walang ka-energy. Tama sila. Gwapo ka. You can be a good matinee idol. But you have to hit a little harder. Masyadong relaxed yung performance na parang it's a bit boring in some parts. So, I'll tell you what you do. When you choose your song, when you learn it, try to learn it and be part of that song. That's why I keep on saying parang detached ka dun sa kanta eh. So there are parts na talagang you're losing the song. Okay, try harder. Jan.
Thank you, Mr. C.
Thank you very much, Mr. C. Judges, thank you.